The absolute best rates for FPV freestyle is... So you found this video, and if you did, you are probably in your beginning, or maybe you're trying to change things up in your FPV journey. Recently I've changed a lot of things too, and that's really something that helped me getting more smooth and more flowy in my sort of style. One of the things that helped the most was the rates, and for a long time I've been looking at rates. I've been looking at Bubby FPVs, I've been looking at Nano's rates, I've been looking at UAV rates for freestyle, and none of them really seemed to work. So instead I drew inspiration from it. Instead of just copying them outright, I thought, what is it that I want my drone to do? My actual rates are up here, and as you can see, they are 70 at the stick center, and then 400, 400 and 300 on the yaw axis, but 400 on the other two axes, and then all expos are 0. This gives me a curve that I find very enjoyable. I think it's very nice. It feels responsive. It doesn't feel like I need to move the sticks a whole lot. But I'd say it also depends on what radio you are using. If you're using something like a TBS Tango, which I don't think has the longest travel distance, you might want some slower rates. If you got a TX16S with a long travel distance and using the new AG01 gimbals, I think you could go higher, as they might be more precise. But I haven't tested that, and I'm not really going to. I think I have ordered a Iflight Commando 8, which I hope will arrive anytime soon. I don't know, but hopefully. And I'll tell you about it when I get it. So, the absolute best rates for FPV freestyle is what you actually feel comfortable with. So let's get out there and get flying. Before the clock runs out, sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna